Hi everyone, this is a quick unboxing of the Ortlieb SEAT-PACK. This is the large version, the 16.5 liters. Something which I think is worth mentioning when purchasing such a bag is, and you can see them here, the M version and the L version, is the amount of space on the seat post. So we have 6 centimeters for the M version, which will be around 2.5 inches, and 15 centimeters for the L version, which is around 6 inches. Okay, so I'm going to open the box. Okay, this is the bag. This is how it looks like, fully extended. Here we have the parts which attach to the saddle, and this is a part that attaches to the seat post using the Velcro. Here we can attach clothes or anything that we need to have quick access on the go. And then, just to give you an idea about the measuring, we have around 80 centimeters or 32 inches in total. This is the view inside of the bag, and if we flip it, yeah, this is like any other Ortlieb product. This is completely waterproof. We have these reflective panels here. These slots are for attaching lights, and this is the bleed valve. So this one needs to be open by pulling it. Everything will get packed, the bag gets rolled in, and then once the straps are attached and secured, the valve is closed. So I hope this was a good overview. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.